Hello students, welcome on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls. This is Kirti ma'am and today I am solve a question from exercise 5.2. The question is how many terms of the AP 9, 17, 25 and so on must be taken to give a sum of 635. So now in this question I have to find the number of terms in the given AP series whose sum is 636. So we have Sn is equals to 636 and the series are 9, 17, 25. So the first term is 9 and the common difference between the first and the second term means D is 17 minus 9, that is 8. We know that Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now I have to put these value in the given expression and find the find the term n. So Sn is 636 n upon 2 2 into a is 9 plus n minus 1 d is 8. 636 is equals to n upon 2. This is 2 9s are 18 plus 8n minus 1. Now the next step is taking 2 from the given expression which are common. So we have now we have give 9 plus 4 n minus 1. So this 2 it's eliminate and we give 636 is equals to 9 n 9 plus 4 n minus 4. So 636 and 4 n 9 minus 4 is 5 plus 5. Now open the bracket, then we have n into 4n is 4n square and 5 into n is 5n. So our quadratic equation is 4n square plus 5n 636 taking right side, then it became negative minus 636 is equals to 0. Now the next step is factorizing the given quadratic equation and find the solution. So then 4n square plus n minus 636 is equals to 0. Now we have 636. Now multiplying 636 with 4. Now I am taking LCM of 636. 2 times is 318. Again 2 is 159. By 3 is 53. And 53 is a prime number. So 53 is divisible by only by 53. 1. So this is the factorization of 636. Now 4. The factor of 4 is 2 into 2. So I am taking a 2 groups and find the middle term. Then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. If 53 minus 48 is 5. So I'll take 5, so I'll take 53 minus 48 in the place of 5, because I'm multiplying 53 and 58, we get the multiplication of 636 into 4. Then 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 636 is equals to 0. The common part in the first group is n. So we have 4n plus 53. In the second group, the common term is minus 12. So we have in bracket is 4n plus 53 is equals to 0. Then the solution is n minus 12 and 4n plus 53 is equals to 0. Now I'll take the first expression equal to 0, then n minus 12 is equals to 0, such that n is equals to 2. This is the first solution, and the second one is 4n plus 53 is equals to 0, then n is equals to minus 53 upon 4. Second solution. Now I am only take the positive part because the number of terms are not in negative, so our solution is 12. This is the solution. Thank you.